morning, Barnet Shoals. I'm Caitlin, and today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Today's forecast calls for partly cloudy weather with a high of 80 degrees. Please stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The month of April is National Autism Awareness Month. During this month, we will highlight and continue to bring awareness to autism spectrum disorder. Because at Barnet Shoals, we embrace, celebrate, and nurture the unique differences that all of our scholars bring.
Today is TikTok Tuesday, Sliding into Summer. Check out the Barnet Shoals Sliding into Summer video on YouTube at 12 p.m. After viewing the video, record you and your family doing the dance and share with your teacher. Your video should be no longer than 15 seconds. Please, no talking in the video. Have fun. Tomorrow is Workout Wednesday. It's time to move. Let's see you and your family's version of working out.
Hello, Barnet Shoals. It's your Student Council Vice President, Laila Nobles, and I'm here to tell you the birthdays of today. Happy birthday today to Mindy C. and Everett S. Woo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear students. Happy birthday to you.
It is now time for the habit of the week. This week's habit is habit number 6. Synergize. Together is better.
Hello, scholars. This week, we are going to focus on my favorite habit. Habit number 6, synergize. Say it with me. Synergize. Yes, synergize. Together is better. When you synergize, you value other people's strengths and learn from them. You get along well with others, even people who are different from you. You work well in groups. You seek out other people's ideas to solve problems because you know that by teaming with others, you can create better solutions than any of you can alone. You are also humble. Synergy is valuing differences and then working together to create a better solution. This week, I would like you to take these steps in synergizing. Together is better. Number 1, watch a video clip of your favorite sports team playing a game. Pay extra attention to how all the players work together as a team. Number 2, talk about what makes a good team member and what makes a bad team member. Number 3, this summer, when the quarantine is done, call 2 friends and work together on a project. It could be putting up a lemonade stand, deciding ways to give back to the community, or making unique art to sell. Have fun. After all, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. I know that you can do it, scholars, because I believe in you.
Okay, scholars, remember to bear down and detect today. Remember to complete your daily assignments. Please say the bear call with me. Be responsible, engage in learning, always follow directions, respect myself and others. Over to Parker.
Make it a top-notch Tuesday, Bears.